Today I'm going to throw together a really quick crock pot meal. This is going to be super easy. I'm trying to utilize the vegetables that I have left in my refrigerator this week. I tend to buy organic vegetables and fruits, and I try to utilize them as soon as possible because they don't last. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw this together. This is so easy. First of all, as always, you wanna oil down that crock pot. If you wanna use a liner in it, you go right ahead. Now I've got 3 chicken breasts. They are partially frozen. I did wash them. I'm gonna go ahead and lay these in the bottom of the crock pot. Okay, I had to wash my hands. Okay, now let's go ahead and put about maybe 2 cups of chicken broth. I've got the low sodium chicken broth here. I'm gonna pour that on top. And what I think I'm gonna use the whole container. Now a can of cream of chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and mix the chicken broth and the cream of chicken right here in the crock pot, just a little bit. Now I've got about a half a bag of organic carrots that I need to use, so I'm gonna put them in there. Half of a yellow onion. I've got 2 stalks of celery. And also I've got a half a package of smoked sausage, the kielbasa, that I'm going to put in here as well. Okay, so I've got some turkey kielbasa. I'm not gonna put any salt in here because it's already got sodium, but I am gonna put about 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Okay, just enough to give it just a little kick. Let me show you how colorful this looks. Put it on high. I'm gonna let it cook for about 4 hours on high because I'm a little late getting this started, but you can cook it 6 to 8 hours or leave it all day. And I'll come back later and we'll see what this tastes like.
I did have about 2 small potatoes that I needed to utilize, so I went ahead and threw those in. And lots of pepper. I did shred up that chicken as well, and I have actually deleted the video where I actually tasted this, but I'm gonna tell y'all, this was some good soup. I just threw this together, and sometimes when you throw it together, it just comes out great. In fact, I'll go as far to say as this was probably the best chicken soup that I've ever made. Now you can mix up a little flour and water, or you can use cornstarch to thicken this. I didn't because I really like the soup. My husband likes stew, but I like soup. I love the broth. But I did end up cooking this for 7 hours, and it tasted amazing, especially with those corn sticks I made.